Hey everybody, back again. Brady Holsauer with DirectLiquidation.com, here to show you one of our home window and rugs pallets live from our facility here in Lenexa, Kansas. Now this pallet is sturdily built and it's got a lot of different items on it, so let's just talk about a few of them. You can see they're all brand new, in box, and these items range from some patio furniture. I've seen some chairs, and additionally right here you've got a Shark Ninja vacuum cleaner, the Carpet Expert with Stain Striker. There's your model information. In box, ready to go for you on this pallet. There's a big piece of furniture down here at the bottom. Let's get a good look at that. This is Signature, designed by Ashley. We actually have quite a bit of this brand, and I've seen quite a bit of this SKU show up in our pallets. This is a great example of something that you can put into your business and have confidence that this item is not your normal return full of damages or missing parts. And this item is new in box, ready to go for you. As we scroll around, you'll see some smaller pieces of furniture. This here is a swivel stool. Let's kind of take a look at some of this model information. Again, this is a wood ladder back counter height swivel stool with a 16-inch round seat. So this is ready to go in box. We've got two of them here on this pallet. And this pallet is, again, for sale right now for you to buy on DirectLiquidation.com. So I encourage you all to take a look. And again, check out our buyers list. We have that same category of pallet available for you to look at. We can build trucks for you and invoice them right away. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. Thanks again. Goodbye.